Good morning. Okay, so I have a 20-inch by 20-inch canvas. It's a gallery wrapped canvas. I've taped off my back edges so that when the painting is dry, I can peel off the tape and it has a beautiful clean finish to the back of the canvas. I know some of you have asked that, so I figured I'd throw that out there. The colors I'm going to be working with today are Bordeaux Red by Arteza, mixed 6 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. I have Quinacridone Magenta by Liquitex Basics, 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. I have, oh good lord, where is it? Pyrrole Orange by Golden's. It is a heavy bodied acrylic, and I'm not even sure how this is mixed. There's a lot of, it's a leftover paint, so I just mixed it until I got the consistency and the color that I liked. I have DecoArt's 24K Gold, equal parts Floetrol to paint, ArtMind's Metallic Sapphire, and that is 8 parts Floetrol to 3.2 ounces. So it's the whole bottle mixed with 8 ounces of Floetrol, and I store it in a creamer bottle, so it's always ready to go. And then finally I'm using Ultramarine Blue by Liquitex Basics, and that is mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. My consistency is fairly thick, so it's a mound on a mound. And then I'm using my basic white mix of 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and it has a couple of tablespoons or teaspoons of white satin enamel by DecoArt Americana. So we're gonna work on this canvas here, and I'm not exactly sure if I want to do a galaxy style pour or if I want to wreck it. I'm not sure, but I had done a painting previously, a pour over with these colors, and I absolutely loved the outcome, so I figured why not continue with this color palette. It's bright, it's cheerful, it's happy, and the outcome was gorgeous. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get my gloves on, get set up, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, so what I did off camera is I obviously got my gloves on, but on top of it all, I also coated the canvas just to save a little bit of time. So we have a 18-ounce cup, and we are going to just start layering a little bit at a time. I'm not going to do too much white in the center, but so that was the metallic sapphire, ultramarine blue. I'm going to come in with the gold. That cup is broken, it's cracked on the side, so I don't want to come in that way. Oh, we'll do Bordeaux Red, Quinacridone Magenta, and come back in with the orange. I love that orange against everything. Not sure how this is going to turn out because I don't believe, layer my cup on camera. You know, I didn't even look at it to create this piece today. I just went ahead and layering the cup just as is. Smidge of the gold right here, a little bit of white. blue. We're gonna come right in with the Bordeaux red. Magenta. The orange. Gold. Let's see, let's do that. I think we'll finish it off with magenta and maybe some orange. So, all right, let me just get the rest of that out of there. We want to leave that smidgen in the cup. All right, I still have a little bit of paint, just not the orange. All right, so, okay, now we're gonna get going here. We'll do a slow twist. Okay, so pretty. The cup is really cool. I think I'm on camera. And now I'm going to give it a torch. I'm gonna just put this back here. So I'm really loving what's going on here and in here. So we'll see how it works out while I'm stretching it. But let's see if I can get you guys in so you can see. Yeah, look at that. It's gorgeous. So beautiful. So let's give it a stretch. And remember, you can take your time. And go from there. Where's my, I'm gonna bring my torch back over here. I might need it. I did just mix these colors up, so. Let's go over here. Now it's folding over on itself. So I think, which is okay, but I might put a little extra paint around the puddle. And I want to bring this way. Usually the center orientation is this way, but I turned it, which is totally okay. It's just going to be a different breed. And so I'm going to say this is probably my favorite. So I'm going to actually put a thinner thing of paint to get it moving so that it doesn't fold over itself too much. It was just a paint that I had hanging out. And you can really use any color to extend your puddle. I know Mina will just use whatever she's got right there, which is the logical thing. I just did as well, and her pieces always come out beautiful, so, you know, I don't think it really matters. So, all right. I see something in the middle. I gotta grab it because it will stop anything from moving. Where did it go? If you stop, it ends up settling. And then you can't find what you saw. Oh my God, the colors are gorgeous. There it is, I found it. There, okay. Phew. There's lots of air bubbles as I just mix these paints up. Got some beautiful striped cells here. And I love this area. So I'm gonna come over here and move a bit of that off the canvas and gently bring it back to the center to open all that up. And now I'm gonna come down to my right corner. Nope, hold on a sec. You can tell my puddle is not where it needs to be in the center. Now we can move it. Oh yes. Oh, oh yeah, I love this. This is gorgeous. I couldn't be happier. All right. Take my gloves off and I'm gonna bring you guys in. All right, guys. I always say that. I gotta find something else to say. I'm loving this corner. This is actually like really cool because it's like a fluorescent peach or pink. And I'm gonna come from this angle. And the striped cells. I love, love, love all of this in here. No green, which is okay because I didn't add it, but it would have been cool to see it. But I didn't layer the cup that way, I suppose. And it's just, I'm loving all of these cells, boulder cells. I love the way they look. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's very busy looking. That is for sure, but the colors are just amazing. I love the purple in here. And then, I don't know, I just love this piece. So we'll see. We'll see how it dries, and then we'll go from there. I wish it was showing you real color because this Pyrrole orange is just so bright. There we go. It's a little bit closer, but all right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, select notifications by ringing the bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. And I have a PayPal me link in the video description. You can get a discount on Arteza paints through the links below, as well as the LOLIVEFE silicone mat, which I did not use today. It's in the other room with painting on it. But you can get a $5 off coupon from that as well. All right. Thank you so much, guys. You have a great day.